I'm following you! Ah! Ah!
Stop this there, man. I want to stand right there. Where's the yellow?
Oh, yeah.
Look for just like soccer ball.
A soccer ball?
Walk like a napkin, you'll find it.
Ew, she's gonna just peep it. She's peeing. You'd think we would see it though.
I know.
How do Nazis walk?
Like this. I'm a World War II expert, okay? I know this shit.
Are you now?
Nah, I'm just a white supremacist.
I knew it
Listen to rap
all
all the
along.
time. Rap speaks white supremacist.
Connor, look at this. They didn't fix the fence.
Yeah,
Unless it's because of the snow.
No, they didn't fix the fence.
The other night we totally could have just like run through here.
Yeah, I know we could have. I never said.
You jerk, why did we do that? You were such a chicken. Like, oh no, they're gonna yell at me. Oh no, they're gonna yell. Over there, there's a mound of something.
Oh.
Nope.
I was trying to like fly.
Are you sure it's back here?
Yeah, keep it back here.
It's that red one, right?
Yeah.
The wind might have blown it somewhere. These boots are not keeping the water out. That sucks. Sorry, where's the ball? Where's the ball? Do you know where it is? Ah! Oh shit! Yeah, shut that. Wait, why is there a gate here?
I forget why they put it here.
So they can get into our backyard freely, I guess?
Yeah. Well, it was back when Eric was doing it.
Yeah, but it's not like you guys ever hung out that much? Where are you? Oh, it's cold. It's not like you guys hung out that much that he needs. No, don't do that, don't do that. Oh, I wish I got that.
I'll do it again.
Do it again.
I don't know.
Why did you change it?
I didn't.
I said put Muse on.
Song ended.
You had a bunch of Muse.
Yeah, it's in a playlist, so I'm sure.
Don't put the playlist on.
Fuck you.
You can't put a soccer ball, but you found that.
Because I've seen it here for like a week now.
Oh. Yeah, but the soccer ball's been there for like 2 weeks.
No, I kicked it.
Oh, it stayed.
I used it the other day.
Oh.
Oh, shit.
It's close. You keep like just making it. Ow! Oh, that's really cold! Don't do that, please don't do that.
Ow.
Because it hurt.
I want to climb this one.
Oh, he got me. He got me. What?
Good job.
Good job, good job. Ah! No, please, 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 that's not fair. Don't do that. I think Star wants to come out again.
Don't worry about that.
Why?
Don't worry, get ever excited if you run.
When did she ever run into the street or anything?
You obviously haven't been here like a billion times she has.
No, no.
So look at that, look at
30 Seconds to Mars sucks, Connor. That's cool.
I'm trying to get on both too.
So my car covered in snow. That's pretty cool, actually. Ah! Don't get me, please. Ew! Ew, Connor!
Untouched snow, who cares?
It touched all your sneakers when you were walking through the dog poo.
No, because it hit the top of them.
I don't.
And it was on the top of snow. Shut your mouth.
Where have your sneakers been, Connor? It's not like they're brand new out of the box.
Yeah, they are.
No.
All my shoes are brand new out of the box.
No.
They just come really dirty and missing the bottom sole.
Yeah.
Like one's white, one's blue. Because I'm that patriotic.
Yeah.
And I'm wearing a red hat, so.
You're. I didn't even make it.
I was there.
This is good packing snow, though. That's awesome. Put the camera down for a second. Oh shit, there's nowhere to put it down. What? I will. Let's make a snowman. Come on, let's make a snowman.